Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Chevy Impala with the key. First, make sure your vehicle is in either park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Next, take your ignition key and insert it completely into the key cylinder. You should feel it slide in smoothly. Ensure the steering wheel is not locked, as this will prevent the key from turning. Once the key is fully inserted, turn it clockwise to the ACC position. This powers accessories like the radio. Continue turning the key to the on position. You will see your dashboard warning lights illuminate. This indicates the vehicle's electrical systems are active. Finally, turn the key further to the start position and hold it there for a moment, typically 1 to 2 seconds, until the engine cranks and starts. As soon as your Impala's engine starts, release the key immediately. It will automatically spring back to the on position, which is its normal operating position. Holding the key in the start position for too long, typically more than 5 seconds, can damage the starter motor. Listen for the engine to catch, and then let the key return to its resting place. If your Impala doesn't start, first check your battery. A weak battery is a common issue. Also, ensure the key is fully seated in the ignition cylinder if it feels stuck or won't turn. Always use the correct, original key for your vehicle to avoid ignition system problems. These simple checks can often resolve starting issues quickly and efficiently, getting you back on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.